Hey, what's up, traders? This is a pound franc, the pair which was for me whole year almost untradeable because it was moving in this range at very unpredictable. So on the monthly, we have reached the historical low. Since then, it's somehow doing this consolidation, right? Let's look more closely on the weekly. And what happened in here is that the market was moving in this beautiful channel, and here we had the reaction on this bottom. Since then, the price moved back and basically for whole year is just moving in here we had this sharp move which can be defined as an institutional movement and retracement, and we are seeing a big rejection and continuation up, and I'm thinking we will most likely see this move right on the weekly. So let's check it on the daily and let's check what is my reasons behind this thinking as well. So on the daily, as said, we've been trading in here now this beautiful dip in this liquidity corrections, consolidations, then dip again and price starting to move higher. So even smaller correction will be interesting for me because I'm expecting here this breakout. I'm thinking it's already ready, and now I will show you why. So here is the COT data, and I will bring the pound, right? So let's look what's happening with the pound. We can see that the banks has been growing their longs positions from the 27k to the 39, then they drop it a little bit 37. And what's happening with the shorts are dropping, right? So that looks good, and it's a good sign because we moved from the negative net positions to the positive ones. So it's definitely bullish for the non-commercials. If you look to the commercials, they are not so active. We cannot see any big signs of the bullishness or bearishness. Is 50-50 almost, like, so definitely bullish pound for me. Let's look to the Swiss franc, and the Swiss franc looks a little bit opposing. So what we can see in here is that the longs, they've been still held around the 20k, then they dropped down, and last week they rise a little bit before their drop, but they bring as well the shorts into it, so you can see there's a small shorts and big longs. However, to make it clear, look at the exposure. We've been on the 80% longs against 20% shorts, and look what happened. It moved into the 66, right? So we are seeing some negative changes in the latest weeks, and basically the longs are below the 13 weeks average, and the shorts are uh, as well below above the 13 weeks average, right? So that's definitely looks so as a bullish sentiment on the banks, right? Let's go to the 4 hours time frame, and we can see in here that it's actually uptrend, right? So we having the higher high, higher low, higher high, and it's about to make it higher high again. Now retail shares are 44% of the retail shares is in the short. So now you might thinking why I would go long when the more people is in the long. Well, here is the divergence. So what basically happened, the shorts has been around 30%, and their average price was around here, right? So the traders was shorting, and as the price is moving higher, more people is shorting. So more people is shorting against the new developing trend, right? So only small correction, and I'm going long in this one. I'm definitely bullish, and it looks good for me. All right, my friends, bye bye. Support it with like and comment with your question and thoughts. Happy trading.